pizza time. In this video, we are going to be making pizza dough from scratch. Coming up on Greens and Machines. You'll need the following ingredients to make dough for some delicious homemade pizza. 1½ cups of warm water, a teaspoon of cane sugar, 2 1/4 teaspoons or 1 packet of dry yeast. I like this Red Star stuff, but Fleischmann's works pretty well too. A teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup of olive oil, and a little more olive oil for later. 4 cups of flour. You can use white flour or whole wheat flour here. Keep in mind though that using whole wheat flour will lead to a different dough texture. Alright, let's make some dough. Mix together the warm water, sugar, and yeast in a mixing bowl. Allow this mixture to rest for about 10 minutes, so the yeast starts foaming. When the yeast is ready, add in the olive oil and salt to the bowl. Stir those in as best you can. Begin to add in the flour. Add in about 1 cup to ½ a cup in at a time. Stir until the dough is formed and roll it out a bit on a floured surface until the dough is round. Place the ball of dough in a bowl coated with a thin layer of olive oil. Brush the dough with the olive oil. Cover the bowl and allow the dough to rise. You can let the dough rise for an hour outside of a fridge if you plan to use it that day, or you can place it in the fridge overnight if you want it to rise. The dough can be stored in the fridge until needed, or frozen for longer-term storage. After the dough has risen, split the dough up and roll out for use. You can split the dough into 3 or 4 balls depending on how many pizzas you want and the size of the pizza. What helps here in rolling out the dough is this new rolling pin I was gifted for Christmas. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can toss your dough like an Italian pizza chef, or use the side of a drinking glass to flatten it. Now you're ready to make some pizza. Here's some tips for rolling out your dough. When I roll out the dough, I brush a thin layer of olive oil over it. You can try par baking the rolled out dough in a preheated oven at 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit for a few minutes before putting the toppings on. You want to top your dough with your favorite sauce, cheese, and other toppings like either meatballs, onions, basil, specialty cheeses, etc. It's your pizza, have it your way. Don't trademark me, Burger King. You want to bake your pizza for 10 to 15 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Now remove your pizza from the oven and allow it to cool. Now you can enjoy pizza time in your own home. I hope you found this cooking video informative. If you like this video, be sure to like it by clicking the thumbs up button. If you want to see more cooking videos like this one, hit that subscribe button. Check out one of our other videos. We'll see you in the next one.